Assalamualaikum students, hope you are fine and well. According to today's lesson planner, we will complete our lesson reading of the lesson Karate Parrot. In the previous lesson, we did the words to know and we did the reading of page number 96 and 97, and we knew that Samir is a man. He went to a cafe to meet his two friends, Adil and Babar. He has broken his foot and he tells his friends the story behind his injury. He tells that his wife Sarah wanted a pet and she went to a pet shop to buy a pet. Now let's see what happens next. His wife Sarah decided that if she could not keep a dog or cat, she would keep any other pet. Samir tells that on Thursday he was busy in some work and he had to shop something for himself, so he reached late in the evening. He was not aware about Sarah's plan as she hadn't told him anything about her plan of visiting the pet shop. When Sarah went to the pet shop, she explained her problem to the shop assistant and he suggested to buy a parrot. Sarah was astonished at his recommendation, but the man explained, "Madam, I am not talking about any kind of ordinary parrot." He explained, "The parrot I have in mind will give you hours of amusement. The parrot I have for sale is unique. It is only karate parrot in the country." She asked, "What does it do?" The assistant demonstrated what the karate parrot could do. He placed an old chair in a space in the middle of the shop and he ordered the parrot karate chair, and the parrot immediately attacked the chair and broke it into pieces. She was lost for words. Never in all her years had she seen such a sight. Done, she exclaimed. She paid the man and took the bird home. Both of them, Sarah and the parrot, spent 1 hour in karate practice after coming back home. When Samir reached home, he was annoyed by the price of that parrot, but she told that parrot is a karate parrot and it is a unique one. "Karate parrot?" I cried in disgust and disbelief. Parrot karate my foot." And this is the last lines that he said before the karate parrot attacked his foot. And this was the whole incident, how he broke his foot. When you will be reading the story, you have to answer this while reading question. Do you find this story incredible or believable? Why? Incredible means unbelievable. And you have to answer this challenge. Imagine how Adil and Babar would have reacted to Samir's story. Think about their responses and continue the story in your own words. Now we have read the story. You have to read it thoroughly, and now we are going to discuss the question answers. Now come to page number 100. Now let's solve the exercises. A. Comprehension. Answer the following questions. A. How do we know that the three friends often met at the cafe? And its answer is on page number 96. This line of the second paragraph, Adil and Babar were sitting in their usual seats by the window. This line shows that they usually met in the cafe. The next question is, who showed an interest in Samir's foot? Its answer is on page number 97. The waiter looked curiously at Samir's foot, which was in plaster. Next question is, what was the main reason Sarah wanted to keep a pet? To know its answer, let's move towards page number 98. Here we can find its answer. She felt she had to have some sort of pet around. She feels a little lonely. Next question is, where did Sarah go to purchase a pet? To know its answer, go to page number 97. Here is the answer of that question. She went along to the pet shop on the corner of GT Road and Flowers Street. The next is, how did assistant demonstrate the parrot's skill? To know its answer, go to page number 98. He placed an old chair in a space in the middle of the shop, and then he said loudly, "Parrot, karate chair." The parrot immediately flew into the air and began to attack the chair. This is how he demonstrated parrot's skill. Next question is, why did Babar and Adil remain silent throughout the story? Its answer is on page number 99. Its answer is here. The pair of them had not uttered a word throughout the story. They had found it all too incredible. Incredible means amazing. Next question is, how did the parrot come to attack Sameer? Its answer is here on page number 99, that when his wife told that it is a special kind of parrot, karate parrot, I cried in disgust and disbelief. Parrot, karate, my foot. And this is how he broke his foot, by the attack of the parrot. Last question is, what was Meer's view about keeping pets? We will find its answer on page number 97 in the second last paragraph. I have always felt it is not fair on a dog or a cat to be imprisoned in a flat on the 6th floor of an apartment building. Dogs need open spaces and cats need to come and go as they please. The next part of the question is, do you agree with this view? And now you have to think about your answer, whether Sameer was right in his point of view or not. I hope you have understood. Now you have to revise the words meanings and you have to read the story thoroughly. Thank you for listening. Allah Hafiz.